Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the 4chan token. Now the 4chan token just got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing, and they are up 442% right now, doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, the 4chan token, it's spelled 4-chan is the name of the token, and then 4chan is the ticker symbol. There is a huge warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. It says, according to Goplis Labs, the smart contract for the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution with trading and always do your own research. So, that could be very sketchy. They could disable selling, they could change fees, all that type of stuff can really be a total scam. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. You do not want to be involved with a honeypot or a rug pull or anything like that. It doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has a big potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract basically in any way they want to. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. This is definitely a meme coin. I know this is meme season right now. Everybody's pumped. Let's get in on the next big meme coin. But you don't want to get scammed. So thoroughly do your own research. Sometimes tokens may be up for bad reasons because maybe somebody can't sell the token. The taxes and slippage is too high. Things like that. Selling's disabled. And so then the price starts rising like a honeypot, nobody could sell, and then the team rugs you. You never know. I'm not saying that's going to happen specifically with the 4chan token, but it's a definite possibility. So 24-hour trading volume right now is $8.2 million for this token. Fully diluted market cap, $461,000, and market cap, $5.5 million. So there is a lot of people saying scam in the comment section too. So it says don't be foolish. You might get rugged. All this stuff. You can't trust the dev. Blah blah blah. Lots of negative comments in the. But I mean, there's bullish comments as well. It's about half and half. But yeah. Be aware of that. Okay. Be aware of that big warning here. Now 4chan is obviously a website all about the memes. And so that's where this token comes into play with meme season. Now, they don't have a lot of information on this token either. It says white paper on their CoinMarketCap listing. You can click on white paper, but it's only a 2-page white paper, and the second page is blank. And most of the information is just a couple lines on the first page. So, not tons of information on their white paper. Now, this is an Ethereum token. If you did want to get this token, it is available on Uniswap. So you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the 4chan token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage or white paper, Etherscan. You can find it on CoinMarketCap. You can find it all over. There's even a link to Uniswap on their webpage that you can easily go to. You can find it all over. Make sure you have the right contract address. You probably will not have to change slippage because it says 0 taxes. So it says 0% taxes on buys and sells. So most likely the default setting for slippage is going to be fine. And just be aware there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, just be aware, it says 0% taxes, so if slippage seems high, then why would slippage be that high? I mean, unless it's like super congested, but they don't have an insane amount of holders yet or anything, right? So they're up 481%, but according to their Etherscan, they don't have 2,000 holders yet. They have 1,905 holders, which is a good start. They're definitely off to a good start here with this token. And 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply. There's a lot of tokens. So that's a million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. I think it's 100 quintillion tokens. So that's, quite a bit of tokens there. So it says this is basically all it says on their webpage right here is this line. It says the 4chan token was forged in the fires of B, and then it's, like a meme symbol there, and tempered by the edgiest anons around. It's the digital embodiment of everything that makes 4chan the ultimate online playground for rebellious spirits and meme lords alike. And that's basically all the info that they have on their webpage. I know, it's an insane amount of info. Now, if you go to their Telegram, which is on CoinMarketCap, at 4chan portal, and 4 is spelled F-O-U-R, it's not the number like everything else, 620 subscribers. Now, their Twitter only has 5 tweets so far. And you can find it at the same thing. 4 is spelled F-O-U-R, at 4chan token. It says where degeneracy meets crypto. And they have a DEX tools chart that you could check out. It says they just joined in May 2023, so it's only May 3rd. So this is their Twitter is literally made within the last couple days. So that's why there's only 5 tweets. 465 followers. And so it says never forget who made all of these. They're talking about 4chan, and it's got, all the different memes on there, tons of different memes, like tokens that I've just done recently. Like they have the Wojak guy, they have Bobo, they have Mumu, they have Pepe, they have Gigachads on here. Tons of different memes that were all created in 4chan. So that's where this token comes into play in meme season. They are basically the creator of all of these memes, according to them. Anyways, I haven't fact checked all this, but so it says this. So this is where the normies hang out, and it says, remember us, airdrop waiting for our girl. So they're tweeting at somebody, and those are their only 3 tweets available. The other ones are probably replies. And then on their white paper, they really have the exact same information as their webpage. And besides that, on CoinMarketCap, it says 100% of liquidity has already been burned and the contract has been renounced. 0% taxes. Launched by OG crypto whales. And that is about it. It says it's a meme token on the Ethereum ecosystem. 4chan is community driven and cannot be controlled by anyone. Be aware of that huge warning though at the top of the page. This token is not fully audited, KYC'd, any of that stuff. There's some negative comments, lots of sketchiness involved here. So thoroughly do your own research before investing. Don't just ape in on any meme coin with your life savings and, lose your hat. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about 4chan? Do you think this token has potential or what? Leave a comment down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.